Okay guys, so something big is happening. I'm going to Los Angeles. I'm about to head out in the morning. You guys already know we got the cool looking like ticket inside of passport style. About to head to see you later, Sacramento. We're heading out, boys. Yo. This is for the Olympics in I think it's 28, I think? Or 2020, look at it. Oh man, it looks so cool. Has like boxing, has running, has swimming, has biking. It looks so cool. Oh, it's kind of chilly out here. Okay, we're walking over to the Grand Central Market. It's a really cool place. What do you think, Pop?
I think it's cool.
Oh man, I'm so excited. I've seen pictures of this place. It looks so interesting. And it's just right over there. Just right over there. Okay, crossing the street safely and legally to go check this place out. Ooh. Okay guys, we are walking up right now. Dude, it goes all the way back. Yo, they got a donut place, fresh bread. Dude, this thing's packed. Yeah. But they also have an arcade here. Look at, they got jewelry store, they got, I don't know what this thing is. Oh man. Oh man. Okay. Dude, look at how much candy's here, bro. Just for days. Bananas, more candy, fresh produce. Oh dude, they got like the 1990s like diner style right here. They got burgers. They show you the meat, bro. Dude, look at this place. They got a PB&J place. Oh, dude, the red velvet stairs. I think this is like the whole drinks and eating area. Dude, look at the wall. We got everything. Pastries. Oh. Cheese. Healthy stuff. Bro, I like this place. Tacos as well. Where are you gonna go without tacos? Coffee stand. Dude, they literally have all the food you could want here. Literally all the food you could want. Chow mein, a Chinese cafe, a bar. They got Mexican food, Chinese food, Russian food, American food. They got everything you want. Man, this place just looks so nice. Oh, there's a downstairs to it. Oh no, that's just bathrooms. Man, look at that. PB&J, like a proper whole restaurant for PB&Js. They got some carnitas and stuff. Yeah. This place is crazy packed though. Crazy packed. Dude, I got papayas. Oh, roast to go. They got a pizza place. Literally all the places you would want here, they got. Like old school deli food. Oh, they got ice cream here. Dude, they literally have everything you could want here. Wow. Coastal casual food. Dude. This place looks so nice. All the stores here are so nice. Got that Japanese green tea. The massacre has happened. Okay guys, so we're just walking out here chilling. We just got out of that place. It was really nice. Look at this place. It's nice. Yeah, let's walk this way. Wait. 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 Dude, that's a nice Mercedes. Okay, well, I'm trusting this guy to make it taste good, so we're gonna find out.
You shall see.
Takes a little whisk, starts whisking. Very sanitary. Okay.
Thank you.
Dang, cool flour on it, bro. Okay guys, so done eating. We got this Blue House coffee, or Blue Bottle coffee, and I got a hot cocoa. Really good, actually. I'm surprised. Now we're gonna head over to OUE Tower, which has a slide that goes out the side of the building. So let's try and do this.